Urgency is often mistaken for importance. Fast responses, immediate action, constant availability. But in most systems, urgency doesn't signal authority, it signals exposure. This video explains why calm control, not urgency, is what systems actually reward over time. Urgency creates activity. Messages get answered quickly. Problems appear to move. From the outside, this looks like leadership. But visible motion isn't the same as directional control. When someone is constantly urgent, it often means they're reacting to inputs they don't control. The system reads this as downstream positioning, not authority. Control flows elsewhere. Moving fast increases error rates, rework, and decision fatigue. Urgency pushes decisions before signal clarity exists. Over time, this degrades trust, even if short-term output looks high. Operators don't eliminate urgency, they absorb it. By redesigning workflows and decision paths, they prevent urgency from cascading through the system. That containment creates leverage. Calm behavior usually signals that buffers exist. Time buffers, decision buffers, information buffers. These buffers are structural advantages, not personality traits. Calm allows better judgment. Better judgment produces consistent outcomes. Over time, systems route more responsibility toward whoever maintains clarity under pressure. Urgent work demands attention now. Important work shapes outcomes later. Operators prioritize importance, even when urgency competes loudly. When you respond quickly, the system sends more inputs. Urgency becomes self-reinforcing. Breaking this loop requires structural intervention, not discipline. Operators design systems where volatility is dampened before it reaches people. Clear criteria, defined escalation paths. Decision ownership. These remove the need for constant urgency. Urgent roles depend on energy. Calm roles depend on structure. Over time, structure outlasts stamina, and authority consolidates around it. Urgency feels powerful because it's loud. Calm control is powerful because it works. Operators aren't fast by default, They're deliberate by design.